Welcome back, folks. It's a crypto lunatic talking about the market shakedown. There's been a shakedown, and there's probably some of you, if you're new to the space, starting to panic. Is that it? Is the end of the bit? You hear all of this nonsense. That's it. It's going down. End of the bull market. Full bear. Well, let me just point out, folks, that to crypto natives, this is completely normal. Having a retrace like this is completely normal because Trump got in and all of the signs were positive, and every crypto native and their dog probably put on some long leverage plays. Now, the market makers are never going to let you pay out on some of these insane leverage. So what they do quite often is they have a really aggressive pullback to liquidate all of these longs before things go up. Now, all you need to know is that last month that I think there is roughly about 450 Bitcoins are mined every month at the moment, and about 44,000 were bought. And that was before the month ends. That was a report I got before the month was even over. So the big boys, the institutions have been gobbling up Bitcoin. This is their bargain basement drawback price, where they get in, they flush out all of the weak-handed, scaredy cat retail investors, and then things will shoot up. So not financial advice, folks, but it is my measured opinion based on the information that I have that things will get interesting very soon. It's highly likely that there's been a tech shakedown with DeepSeek has really shaken down the whole tech space and got rid of a lot of money from those investments. But at some stage, folks, people will wake up and navigate their way to crypto because they realize that normal currency, or fiat currency as it's known in the circles, which is your pound, dollars, and euros, is a Ponzi scheme, folks. It's a Ponzi scheme. So let's look at this today. So with pounds, euros, dollars, you've got people in government, they print money. When they need it, they print money. And they have to because they owe so much money now that we don't earn enough to pay the interest. That's the reality of the global financial situation, folks. We do not earn enough money globally to pay the interest on the money that is owed through all of the borrowing and printing that has been made. And that is the facts, folks. And so increasingly, institutional investors are waking up to the fact that Bitcoin is immutable, that they're not printing anymore, that you can't manipulate it. And governments hate that. They hate the fact that they can't manipulate this currency, which is why people are likely to go into it. Course, don't know that for certain, but it's looking that way. A lot more is being bought, a lot more serious players are buying into crypto, and it's only a matter of time before things shoot up, my friends. That is my measured opinion. That is where I'm standing, and this is a great entry point. It's a great entry point to get in. There's some great little gems. This is bargain basement. This is like finding yourself in Aladdin's cave. These are the prices. You can look at some of them now. And I looked today, and in my portfolio, there's a company called Demetra that's gone down over 50% today. This is a great entry point for that because it's a great project doing incredible things. And there's been big draws back on things like Full Chain. That will probably pick up as well. That's not in, as I've only got a very tiny, tiny position that has gone down into double figures. It's under £100 now based on the flush down, folks. But things like that, now's the time to be looking at them and having a little dabble if that's what you're into. Not financial advice. Of course, folks, it isn't, but this is the time. This is the time. There's a lot of fear in the market. We've gone below 40% on the fear and greed index, which means it's a great time to get in, folks. It's a great time to get in. And it might not make money tomorrow. You might see a retrace and it might go down a little bit before it goes up again. But one thing's for certain, it will go up, folks. It will go up. And timing the market, if that's your thing, well, this could be a good time to get in. There might be further retrace to go before it bounces, but it will bounce, folks. I would put a lot of money, if I had it, on it to say that the market is likely to bounce based on the stats that we have. This is the fear factor. They're trying to get people fearful, and they're trying to flush out everybody that's put on leverage longs, especially insane ones with the 100x leverage. So there you go, folks. That's my opinion. Be welcome to your comments to let me know your thoughts on it. But I would say that this is a great entry point for people that are late to the party. This is what the institutions have been waiting for to scare the hell out of little old you and me so that they can make all of the money. And they're certainly putting their money where their mouth is now and getting into Bitcoin. So there you go, folks. There's my little opinion from the crypto lunatic, bringing you more little random updates. And if you want my little random updates without the geekery, in short, succinct little videos like this one, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you want another one, there's another one just there.